So we're going to start off by mixing all these ingredient spices into the yogurt and marinating the cubed paneer in this yogurt marination.